Introducing SEAT Alhambra 7N OEM front and rear optical parking sensors kit, an advanced parking system designed for stress-free, precise parking. Equipped with 8 ultrasonic sensors, this system offers 360-degree assistance by detecting obstacles around your vehicle. When nearing an object, the system provides both audible warnings and a graphical display on the radio-topped navigation screen. The closer you get, the faster the beeps. Becoming continuous at less than 25 centimetres, the system activates automatically when reverse gear is engaged or manually via a switch. Key features include graphical car representation with obstacle detection, colour-matched flush-mounted sensors, automatic activation with reverse gear, audible beeps increasing in frequency as obstacles approach. Park confidently with SEAT Alhambra front and rear parking sensors, ensuring safety and convenience in even the tightest spaces.